Hi everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unbagging an order that I placed with Rent the Runway. So Rent the Runway is a clothing rental service and they have several different options you can choose from. You can either rent the items item by item, or you can pay a monthly fee and you get a certain amount of items you can rent per month. I've been renting from them for a while now, but I kind of put a stop to it when the pandemic started and everybody started working from home because there was just obviously no need to rent nice looking clothes when there's nowhere to go. But I am currently in the final stretch of my pregnancy and my bump is pretty big, and I just wanted to get some nice photos, and while I still have this bump, just to try some new clothes out. So instead of buying new maternity clothes, I decided to rent them. That's one good thing about Rent the Runway. So I went ahead and I paid for, let's see, this membership cost me $89, I think. So $89 for a month, and I was able to rent 4 things. Obviously, their maternity collection is not as robust as everything else they have, but they did have some really good brands and some really cute dresses. Your order will usually come in a bag like this. It's a garment bag and it says Rent the Runway. It just arrives like this, and let's take a look at all the pieces that I got. I know there are memberships where you can pay a certain amount a month and you're able to actually swap things out. So for instance, you can rent 4 items at a time, and then if you wear something, you can put it back in a bag and send it back. And then when they receive it, you get another slot. So then you can place an order for something else and they'll send it out to you. Okay, so this, there's some paperwork in here. It gives you directions about how to return things. You basically just put everything back in a bag and slip in this shipping label because it already has all the addresses on here pre-labeled for you. You can either drop it off at a UPS location, I believe. I think you can also schedule a pickup if you want. Anywho, oh wow, this is new. They have stickers now, Rent the Runway stickers. That's so cool. Yeah, one thing I like about Rent the Runway is that they have really good brands. They have some amazing designer brands that I usually would not be able to afford, but you can rent it and wear it. Oh, I also forgot to mention, when you return something, you actually don't have to pay for the dry cleaning fee. You don't have to wash it. You just put it back in a bag and send it back to them. The company will take care of all the dry cleaning and stuff like that before they make it available to the next customer. So that's really cool. Okay, and everything comes in a garment bag. And this is the first item that I rented. It actually smells really fresh. That's cool. I've been seeing a lot of pregnant mamas on Instagram wearing like overalls and stuff like that, and I always thought that it was so cute. So I decided to rent one because I didn't want to splurge and purchase a pair of overalls and only wear it for like a month or 2. I really wanted to try these out, and it's currently the summer right now, and where I live is very hot. And these are like kind of short overall shorts, and it's made of like a cotton material and it's very stretchy. So I'm really curious to try this on. All right, so the item that got the least amount of wear are these Monroe super soft maternity overalls. The material was a little bit too thick, and whenever I wore it out during the summer, it just felt really hot and humid and uncomfortable. But I did get a few wears out of these. My next piece is just a really simple dress. I am still working right now, so even though I'm working from home, I'm on a lot of Zoom calls and stuff like that, and wearing pants nowadays is just not very comfortable. Even though they're sweatpants, like the band from the sweatpants cuts into my belly and it's really uncomfortable, so I like wearing dresses. So I went ahead and rented this one. It's not very summery, I guess it's black, but the pattern is really cute. It has like polka dots and flowers on here, and this is also very stretchy, like cotton material, and it has like a tie in the front. It's kind of like a wrap dress kind of thing, so this is super cute. I did also get a lot of wear out of this one because it is so easy to put on. You just kind of wrap it on. I did end up wearing these with maternity shorts underneath because the size was a size 2, and because of the size of my bump, I was just self-conscious about where the slit of the wrap was, and so yeah, I wore shorts underneath. Okay, next item. Ooh, this next dress is super nice. So this feels like silk. Oh, actually, it's not a dress. I kind of forgot what I rented. So this is like a jumper kind of thing. Jumpsuit. This is by Jasper. Okay, my dog apparently really likes the smell of dry clean clothes, and he's rubbing his face all over my dress. Oh my gosh, Jasper. Okay. Anywho, Hatch, I've seen their ads on Facebook and Instagram. They've definitely targeted me, and I went on their website, and their dresses are just way out of my budget. They're like $200 to $300 each. Actually, I can show you how much this item is. This Hatch jumpsuit retail is $298. Hi, Jasper. You want to say hi to the camera? This is Jasper. He's a rough collie. Hi. He likes being around people and he's just really curious what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is called the Casey Maternity Jumpsuit. If you were to rent this on its own, it says on their app that this is $37.50 to rent. So if you don't want to pay for a full membership for a whole month, and if there's only 1 or 2 items you want to rent, you can do that as well. So that's how much this is. I got a few wears out of these as well. We are still in the middle of a pandemic, so whenever we went out, every time I went out, I just put on these Run the Runway items. This one fit quite well. It's quite flowy for the summer, and I do like the pattern and the print on it. So yeah, this one was good. I liked it. The last item that I rented, so this item I think it's also by Hatch. Ooh, this one is also very flowy. I realized the colors that I got are not very springy. There were some springy looking dresses, like floral looking dresses, but they just looked too pretty to wear on a day-to-day basis, you know what I mean? Like, it would have been great to wear to a wedding or to a party or something, but I kind of picked something more practical. So this is by Hatch. Ooh, this is super flowy. I wonder if I should extend my membership and then I can just wear this to the hospital. So this is kind of like a huge Miu Miu kind of. This Paulina maternity dress by Hatch was by far my favorite out of everything I rented. I wore it so many times I actually ended up washing it because I wore it so much. I wore it to Target, to Lowe's, and in fact I actually did wear this to the hospital. It was, however, unplanned. I went in the morning at 9 o'clock for a doctor's appointment, and when the doctor checked my dilation, he was like, okay, you have to go to the hospital right now. So as I'm editing this video, Rent the Runway actually announced a new plan structure. So make sure to check out their website and you can take a look at the different options. It's a little bit too much to get into details right now in this video, but feel free to check out their website. I also have referral codes and coupons that you guys can use. For some reason, they keep changing the code every month. So make sure to check back and let me know if the code doesn't work, and I'll make sure to get you one that works. Alright guys, so that was unbagging Rent the Runway. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave in the comment section below. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I have videos up. Alright, I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye!